everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some winnings that I had won from Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. They had a Beat the Winter Blues Color Challenge, and I was the recipient of her channel. And I am so thankful. I finally have something from Robyn, and I'm so happy. I will leave her link down below. If you don't follow her, make sure you go over and hit that subscribe button, because she is amazing with her designs that she creates. Okay, so let's jump right in. This is how the package has come to me. I have not opened anything, but I am going to move the box because it's a little tight filming here. So, and then we'll jump right in. So I'm just going to take these out here. Oh, wow, there's more than what I thought was in here. But anyways, we're going to take all of these out, and then we'll take a look at it, at the winnings. Okay, give me 1 second. And I apologize because I am still suffering from this cold that I have, and so I do apologize. My voice is still hoarse. So anyways, so this is the card I assume that she has sent, so let's get into that. This is the card, and she wrote a little note on the inside, and she was just apologizing for the delay, and I totally understand, because I'm telling you all the snow that we've gotten, and I think they've gotten more where she's at. So and she was also congratulating me on winning the Beat the Winter Blues Hop Challenge. So anyways, let's take a look at what she's created. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my Lanta, and it's a shaker. Oh my goodness. Give me 1 second and I'll get it out of this package. Okay, look at this. It's so pretty. Look at this layering. I don't know whose dies these are. I'm kind of sort of thinking Scrap Diva 29, but I am not definite. But this is adorable. Look at that Christmas lane with the little elf shoes at the bottom, the bow, elf squad. This is adorable. And then she has these on the little hooks so that the bells can hang. Oh, this is just too cute. I love this. And it's a shaker. Double the fun. So let's get into that. Man, this is put together so well. This can last me for years and years upon years. I love that. Okay. Oh, look at the little bear socks. Oh, my Lanta. That is cute. Oh, the perfect little gift box too. And look, she's even done every part of the gift box. This is put together so good. I mean, it's sturdy. Love that. I'm thinking that these might be cards that I can use for next year. Let's just get right into that. Yes, and she's not even sent an envelope. But look at that. Merry Christmas. This is heat embossed there. And I want to say the snowflakes are heat embossed as well. She added some gems on top. And I don't know if you can see that sparkle on the houses. That's really pretty. Love that. It's even on the little Santa and there's reindeer. That is so pretty. And this is a die cut here. Oh, just beautiful. And she's even finished the inside of the card. That is so pretty. Love that. Thank you so much. I will be able to use that for next year Christmas card giveaway. Or not giveaway, but sending out cards. But love this. Look at that. Let me get into this one as well. And this is another card. She sent me the envelope for that one too. And look at this. It's on an action wobble. That is too cute. Holly Jolly. What is that? Official Still Santa Claus North Pole. That is so cute. Look at that sparkle on there. Can you see that? That is so pretty. I love all of the layering that she's done. I struggle with layering, so I always admire the people who can do all this layering, and hopefully I can learn from them. Oh, it's so pretty. And then there goes the inside of that one too. Oh, I love, love, love these. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I'm going to be able to send them to somebody else, but we'll see. I love these. And then she gave me a die set 9-piece Gemini. It's by Gemini by Crafter's Companion. Stamp and die. There it goes. Christmas bow. Really cute. I want to say, yeah, it's a stamp. Let's see if we can take a look at that. Hold on. Okay, there we go. That's a better look. Sending warm hugs up there just for you at Christmas. Celebrate the season and winter wishes. That bow is amazing. That is pretty. Love that. And then it comes with the dies as well. So that is so cute. I love this. Thank you so much, Robyn. That was so thoughtful to send these goodies. Thank you for the win. And like I said, I'll have her link down below. So make sure you go over. If you have not subscribed to her, make sure you do so, because this is amazing. Her creativity is the bomb. All right, so that's all I have for you, everyone. Make sure you go over, visit Robyn, and yeah, that's it. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.